Wealth creation strategies for aspiring millionaires. Ever dreamed of living in a stunning villa by the beach, driving the car of your dreams, and having the freedom to work from anywhere in the world? Imagine waking up every day in luxury and comfort. Picture making money effortlessly. This isn't a fantasy. It can be your reality. The right strategies can turn these dreams into achievable goals. The wealthy have secrets that can be learned and applied by anyone. Are you ready to unlock these secrets? Let's explore the path to financial freedom together. Get ready to transform your life. Let's dive in. 1. Mindset mastery. The journey to wealth begins in your mind. You need to cultivate a mindset that embraces abundance and rejects scarcity. Believe that you deserve wealth and can achieve it. Start each day with affirmations. Repeat statements like, "I am capable of creating wealth," and "I attract financial opportunities." This simple habit can set a powerful tone for your day and your financial journey. Your thoughts and beliefs shape your reality. If you believe in abundance, you'll start to see opportunities everywhere. Negative thinking can sabotage your progress. Focus on positive, empowering thoughts. Visualize your success daily. Imagine living the life of your dreams. See yourself achieving your financial goals. This practice builds confidence and motivation. Surround yourself with positivity. Read inspiring books and listen to motivational podcasts. Limit exposure to negativity and naysayers. Keep a journal of your successes and affirmations. Reflect on your growth and progress. Mindset is the foundation of wealth creation. Believe in yourself, stay positive, and watch your financial journey unfold. 2. Invest wisely. Investing is key to growing your wealth. The wealthy don't just save money, they make their money work for them. So, how can you start investing wisely? The first step is to diversify your investments. Don't put all your money in one place. Look into stocks, real estate, and other assets. Stocks can offer high returns, but they come with higher risks. Real estate can provide steady income and long-term growth. Other assets, like bonds or commodities, can add stability to your portfolio. If you're new to investing, start with index funds. Index funds are less risky and provide a balanced approach to investing. They spread your money across many companies, reducing risk. As you become more comfortable, you can gradually expand your portfolio. Learn about different investment options and their risks. Consider your financial goals and risk tolerance. Investing wisely means making informed decisions. Keep learning and stay updated on market trends. Use financial tools and resources to help you. Don't be afraid to seek advice from financial experts. Investing can seem daunting, but with knowledge and strategy, you can grow your wealth effectively. Start small, be patient, and watch your investments grow over time. Investing wisely is a crucial step towards financial freedom. 3. Create multiple streams of income. Relying on a single source of income limits your financial potential. The wealthy often have various revenue streams. Diversifying your earnings is crucial for financial stability and growth. Explore side hustles to supplement your primary job. Consider freelance work, consulting, or part-time gigs that align with your skills. Passive income opportunities, like rental properties, can provide ongoing revenue. Rental investments offer a steady flow of cash. Although they require initial capital, they deliver long-term benefits. Digital products or services can also generate earnings. Think about creating and selling online courses, ebooks, or software. Affiliate marketing is another way to earn passively. Promoting products and earning commissions can boost your financial resources. Aim to build at least 3 different sources of revenue. This strategy reduces reliance on one avenue and enhances financial security. Evaluate your interests and skills to find suitable options. Start small and expand as you gain experience. Balance high-risk, high-reward opportunities with safer investments. Monitor and adjust your strategies as needed. Developing multiple streams takes time and effort, but it's worth it. Diversifying your financial base will help you achieve greater freedom. 4. Enjoy a luxurious lifestyle on a budget. You don't have to wait to become a millionaire to experience luxury. There are ways to enjoy a rich lifestyle without spending a fortune. Start by looking for deals on high-end items. Many luxury brands offer discounts or sales that make their products more affordable. Use credit card rewards and cashback offers to save on travel expenses. Take advantage of loyalty programs to earn points for flights and hotel stays. Consider shopping at outlet stores for designer goods at reduced prices. Explore online marketplaces for high-quality items at lower costs. Learn to appreciate the finer things in life that don't come with a hefty price tag. Simple pleasures like a beautifully set dinner table or a relaxing bath can feel luxurious. Decorate your home with stylish, yet budget-friendly pieces. Find local experiences that offer a taste of luxury without the high cost. Host gatherings and create memorable moments with friends and family. Travel smart by choosing off-peak times and budget-friendly accommodations. Enjoy gourmet meals at home by cooking with high-quality ingredients. Seek out free or low-cost cultural events in your area. Embrace the mindset that luxury is about quality and experience, not just price. You can enjoy a taste of luxury now while you build your wealth. By being resourceful and savvy, you can live richly without breaking the bank. 5. Embrace risk and take action. Wealth creation involves taking calculated risks. The fear of failure can hold you back from achieving greatness. It's essential to evaluate carefully before making decisions. Assess the potential rewards against the possible downsides. Start with small, manageable tasks to build your confidence. Each experience provides valuable lessons and insights. Use what you learn to tackle larger challenges. Don't let fear paralyze you. Instead, let it drive you to make informed decisions. Action is crucial for turning your financial dreams into reality. It's not just about taking risks, but taking smart, strategic actions. Keep in mind that even small steps can lead to significant progress. Analyze outcomes and adjust your approach as needed. Taking risks doesn't mean being reckless. It means being bold and strategic. Build a support system of mentors or advisors who can guide you. Be prepared to adapt and pivot based on what you learn. Embrace the possibility of failure as a learning opportunity. Success often comes from stepping outside your comfort zone. Be proactive and seize opportunities when they arise. Trust your instincts, but back them up with research and planning. Remember, the journey to wealth is not a straight path. It involves navigating uncertainties. Embracing risk and taking action is a fundamental part of achieving financial success. By adopting these wealth creation strategies, you're on your way to transforming your financial future. Each step you take brings you closer to living a life of luxury. Remember, the journey to becoming a millionaire begins with a single step. It's essential to start implementing these strategies today. Begin by setting clear financial goals and creating a plan. Stay committed to your plan, even when challenges arise. Consistency and perseverance are key to achieving financial success. Monitor your progress regularly and make adjustments as needed. Apply these tips to diversify your income and build wealth over time. Embrace opportunities for investment and growth. Focus on developing a mindset that attracts abundance. Educate yourself continuously about financial management. Seek out new ways to generate revenue and manage your finances wisely. Celebrate your small victories along the way. They are signs of progress and motivation to keep going. Stay disciplined and avoid shortcuts that promise quick fixes. Watch your efforts compound as you maintain focus and dedication. Trust the process and believe in your ability to succeed. Your commitment to these strategies will lead to a prosperous and luxurious lifestyle.